Thank you for tuning in to Forgotten Gear Restorations once again for a little quickie here, a little post-resto. It's a crazy Friday, so I don't have the time for the production work, but I got time for the amp work, so that's what you're going to get. This is Deluxe Reverb. Jay, this is your second amp. We got to the bottom of this one. We had a shorting rectifier tube. You also had your Reverb Recovery 12AX7, which was on the rocks. So I had to go through that, clean the retention of tube sockets, do the pots, jacks, the whole thing. She sounds lovely. Hope you enjoy.